Hello and welcome back again. I'm just going to run through the advanced settings section on Orbit Communicator. We've got a number of features which are not that advanced, but they've got to go somewhere. So we've got to have the ability to track public bank holidays as published by the UK government. So by default there's nothing there. If I hit reload, so that's loaded the available holidays from the published list. You can choose between England and Wales, Northern Ireland or Scotland. And if we go and have a look at the calendar, now if I turn off everything apart from holidays, that will make it easier to spot when they are. I'm going to month view, nothing in February. Good Friday is appearing in April. So Good Friday, Easter Monday, early May bank holiday, and the mini cal is highlighting which days holidays appear on. So November, December, and then we have Christmas. So we can add additional lists as well. Incidentally, the sharing facility with Google Calendar will allow you to import holiday lists from Google as well. So that's the holidays. We have a sound facility, so that list will check the sound level. Let's just play the chime. If we have a look up here, you can set the volume in the application independently of everything else. So we take that down, it's a good bit quieter, and if we take that right up, so it's not too loud, but it gives you scope for adjusting depending on what other applications are running. So I'll leave that there. The other thing we could do with the settings at the top, the size of the application is also run independently of the desktop. So if we look at this one, we can scale the application inside the available space. This is very useful if you have either a very large or very small screen, or very good or very poor eyesight. So if we go into messages, for example, we can scale that in exactly the same way. Leave that back on one. It will remember that setting when you close the slider. The other scaling feature, rather than reflowing when the window is resized, we're actually rescaling and relying on this scaling element inside the browser for size adjustments. So if we unmaximize that, you can see the proportions inside the window have remained the same, but it's been scaled down. So if I do this and scale the window, it will scale up as the window scales up. So the way to control your size is with this. So if you want it bigger and smaller, you can do that inside the scope of the window. A little bit different to traditional web applications, but it's quite flexible in terms of the way you can set up your desktop. The other things we have, notify, just to make sure notifications are turned on. That's roughly what an email notification will look like. And with the time settings, if you look at messages here, that's currently on 24-hour clock. If I change that AM PM, that's now on an AM and PM. The same applies to settings in here, so that's AM PM. And if we change that to 24-hour clock, you can see that's instantly changing back and forth. Okay, so that's settings.